today I was going to start the new vlog series, but I just got some news and I'm gonna have to postpone that just a little bit. I'm not really in the mood to film the beginning video for the vlog series right now. I don't know how to talk about this. Probably gonna ramble a little bit because I haven't really had a chance to gather my thoughts. We were coming back from Fayetteville and stopped by my folks' house to get some stuff and have dinner with them before coming here. And I got there and they poured me a glass of wine. I don't really drink wine. Every once in a while. Last glass of wine I had was at Crystal's competition. They poured me a glass of wine and they said we're celebrating. And I said, oh? And they said, yeah, we're celebrating the life of Dick Anderson. That's my grandfather. I don't cry too much. It's kind of weird crying right now. Especially on camera. Put this on YouTube. I wanted to record a clip after the fact here for a couple of reasons. One, because y'all are like family to me. And I want to clue y'all in onto every aspect of my life. The highs and the lows. The good moments and the bad moments. And two, because it's like therapy for me to just share my thoughts on camera. It's kind of like people journal, they diary, they get their thoughts on paper. It's like the same concept for me in writing it or in recording it. So yeah, that's why I'm getting this clip in the first place. Grandpa is the first person in my life that's passed that I've been really, really close with. And I don't think it's fully hit me yet. I mean, I just got the news not too long ago. I don't ever really know what to say or how to be or the emotions I should be feeling when people have passed. It's kind of a strange sensation. You just float through the day almost. You know, dying is as much a part of living as living. So when somebody dies, you can't stop living. You gotta keep doing your thing. You gotta keep going through the day and living your life. I've got all these things in my mind of things I'm supposed to do this week, you know, and I'll do all those things. Like I'm supposed to start the daily vlog back today, and I'm gonna get right back on the daily vlog. You know, I can't take a break and not get stuff done. But it's strange to have like your world kind of rock like this. I was really close to my grandpa. This is on my mom's side. He lives in Georgia. I didn't get to see him as much as I'd like because we're so far away, but we would talk pretty regular. He used to call me every day, and then he'd get busy, I'd get busy, and then we'd go a little while without talking. I called him yesterday, though, and I'm glad that I did. Crazy thing is, we were talking yesterday and laughing. Didn't skip a beat. So it's kind of crazy to get this kind of news today. I didn't cry at all until the drive here from my parents' house. I didn't cry at the folks' house when I got the news. I called my uncle on the way here. And my uncle, Mark, he's real close to Grandpa too. And we were talking about stories and stuff. And that's when it hit me, I think. You know, you think back on memories that you had. And you realize you ain't gonna have any more memories. They were all good memories though. The crazy thing is, I think he was 81 or something like that. But he was so sharp. Like his mind was still there 100%. Didn't skip a beat. You know, his body just gave out on him. I'm very, very glad that I got to talk to him yesterday. Something like this happens and it really gives you perspective. You know, it's hard to be stressed out about everything else, like on a day-to-day basis, when you've got news like this on the forefront of your mind. Makes you appreciate life a hell of a lot more. Makes you appreciate relationships a hell of a lot more. I love my grandpa. He was the one that was in the railroad way back in the day. So when I got in the railroad, we had that in common. He'd tell me all these railroad stories. Tell me all kinds of stories. He was always bigger, you know. We used to call him the Incredible Hulk when we were little kids. He'd hold his arms out and come after us, wrestle with us. He didn't live too far from when I met up with Matt and Meg a couple months back to make this DSK course, and I spent the week with him. A couple nights. I spent a lot of it with Matt and Mega, but I spent a couple nights with Grandpa. I'm so glad that I had that time with him. I went out and bought us some steaks and grilled us up some steaks, and we just talked about life, and glad that I had that time. It's hard missing somebody like that you love, that you have memories with. You know, you got to really focus on paying it forward and being there for the people that are still around. It's hitting hard. I look at my mom. You know, he was her dad. My mom's super strong woman. But to see her cry, that's hard. It's a hard thing to see. And I try to put myself in her shoes and imagine what I would feel like if my dad died. That's hard. But you know what? He didn't have any regrets. And he never gave up on anything in life. past couple of years, he had some problems with his knees, and he couldn't walk. He was in a wheelchair. But you know what? He never stopped trying to walk again. He would go to physical therapy every single week. He would swim. He'd go to doctors. He was about to have a knee replacement so he could walk again. Never gave up. And he had no regrets with his life. And he had his mind to the end, you know. He's a good man. I'm proud to have him as a grandfather. I want to make him proud. He's really proud of all the stuff that I'm doing right now. You know, he's really proud of me when I was at the railroad. He's really proud of me for building a business and, you know, following my heart, passions. I'm gonna make him proud. I'm damn sure I'm gonna make him proud. Love you, Grandpa.